Hello, this is Edgar with TaxDome. In this video, we will show you how to create contract templates. First, you will need to go to your settings page, then the Templates tab, and then the Contracts sub-tab. Here you will have the option to either create a new contract template or copy existing ones from our template library. If you already have some templates, you can still edit them by simply clicking their name on this list. For now, I will click the Create Template button so we can start one from scratch. The first field that you will see is for the name of the template. Underneath that, you will have the option to choose between two options: What you see is what you get, and HTML. What you see is what you get is a mode that offers simple formatting tools for the text that you will enter into the template's text box. HTML is a mode which allows you to paste HTML code into the text box. Using HTML code allows for more control over your formatting. You can easily create HTML code by entering your text and images into a site like wordhtml.com. These sites will convert your information into HTML code and allow you to copy it and paste into TaxDome. Next, let me show you how to use our shortcodes. Shortcodes are dynamic data fields which will get automatically filled in by the system on a client-by-client basis. If you click on the Add Shortcode button, you will have to choose what type of shortcodes you want to add. As you can see, there is an option for the account name and then a lot of options for dates as well as another one for the sum of the services. If you have created custom fields for your accounts, then you will be able to select those here as well, and they will work the same way as all the other shortcodes on this list. You can type the shortcode name at the top of the list to find the one you're looking for more easily. There are no limitations for the amount of shortcodes that you can enter, so you can use as many as you need. Once you select a shortcode type, you can easily recognize it within the contents of your contract. As an example, I have added 3 shortcodes here, one for the account name, one for the current date, and one more for the business owner name. If we send this contract to John Doe, then this account name field will be replaced with his account name. The current date will show the date when the contract was sent, and the business owner field will be replaced with whoever is listed as business owner on the account custom field. Lastly, since we mentioned services earlier, let me point out that you can also link services to a contract. All you have to do is click the Add Services button, and then select the services that you want to link to the contract. The services will be displayed alongside the text of the contract. And after you are done customizing the template, all you have left to do is click on Save. Now let's see what receiving a contract looks like from the client's perspective. As you can see at the top of the contract, the shortcodes are reflecting the correct information without you having to manually enter it. And if you added services to the contract, they will also show when the client opens it. And now you know how to create contract templates. Thank you for watching and have a great day.